Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another soap making video, and in today's video I'll be making coconut milk soap. Okay, so here I have my mold that I'll be putting my soap in. After I finish making my soap, here is my coconut milk. Here I have my caustic soda, the scale that I'll be measuring my oil, and this is what I'll be blending my soap in. And also I'll be needing a stick blender to blend my soap together. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna pour out my oils that I'll be using to make this soap. So I went a little bit over. With the measurement, so I'm about to take out some. Okay, so to make the soap, I have coconut oil, olive oil, and cocoa butter. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is, I put back my scale. I'm gonna set my oil aside. And I'll be measuring out my distilled water. Okay. Went over a bit with this as well. And when making soap, you want the exact amount of measurement that is required. You don't want to go too over, neither do you want to go under. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to measure. Once I'm measuring, I'm going to put my caustic soda in my distilled water. I hope you guys saw my caustic soda, also known as lye. I'm going to put it in the water and mix it until all the particles are dissolved. As this mixing, it will heat up, so you're not supposed to stand over it. So what I'm about to do now is, because my windows are closed, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to mix this and I'll be back. Okay, so Make sure this thing is working. Okay. So now that all my lye particles are dissolved, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring over my oils. I'm going to set this aside. Show you guys see. So I'm just gonna leave this aside now, and I'm gonna bring over my oil. And I'm going to put in my coconut milk in my oil. I'm basically combining all the oils together. I'm going to put in certain amount, and then I'm gonna looks so rich. So this is my coconut milk in my oil. What I'm about to do now is I'm gonna gently pour in my lye solution slowly on my stick blender, because I don't want this to splash, okay? There you go. Then we're gonna blend this until it comes to I'm gonna add in my last amount of coconut milk inside of it, and I'm gonna blend this until it comes to trace. Oh, the wind is blowing strong. this is coming into trace very slowly. It's coming into trace slowly but surely. Start to become thick. So I'll be blending away a while. So I'll be back as soon as the soap is closer to trace, okay? Okay. So I was supposed to mention that the process that I took to make this soap is called the cold process method. And what I'm about to do now is I'm going to pour the soap now in its mold because it's already at trace. Okay. And there you go. This is my coconut milk soap. What I'm about to do now is I'm gonna leave this for 24 hours before I can cut it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll show you guys the cut and the result of this soap next day. After 24 hours I'll show you guys the result of this soap. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up, press my subscribe button down below, press the post notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video, and see you guys on my next. And I'm out, guys. Bye.